Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your auto parts store business. While running an auto parts store business, you get a lot of inquiry about customer service, tracking order, availability and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When a user sent a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I will tell you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your auto parts store using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people inquiry, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already created this amazing chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. And over here, I will type a key message. For example, hey. As you can see, as soon as I have sent a key message, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Auto Parts. And with that, they have given me 3 action button, out of which I can select according to my requirement. For example, as I want to know about the products, I will select Browse Products. As soon as I have clicked on Browse Product, they have given me 3 keywords again, out of which I will select car and bike parts. As soon as I have selected car and bike parts, they have given me a PDF in which their parts would be available. Let us open and see. As you can see, they have mentioned all the parts with their photos, according to which I can select any of them to book my service. Let's get back to our WhatsApp chatbot. Over here, they have given me a action button which says talk to a human. As soon as I click that, I got a response reply that please wait while I connect you to a team member, usually reply within 2 to 3 minutes. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. If you want to make this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, let's open a new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be on the landing page of pabbly.com. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am an existing user, I will click on sign in. As soon as I sign in, I will be redirected to the All Pabbly app page. Over here, I can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today we are working on Pabbly Chatflow. I will click on Access Now button. After clicking on Access Now button, we will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp numbers in one place without opening WhatsApp separately. Add your WhatsApp number. There is a button given on the top right corner named by Add WhatsApp Number. Inside this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you have to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify your Meta Business Management account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. Okay, not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer. After that, we have contact section where you can create new contact and separate them according to your requirement. After that, there is a team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. By creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. After that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customers using customized template. After that, we have flow section, which is a powerful tool to create chat. After that, we have AI assistant setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. As we got to know each features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on flow button and we will be redirected to the flow builder page. Here, To create a new flow, we need to click on Add Flow button, which is given on the top right corner. By clicking on that, we will be landed on this page. Here, you can see a window is opened named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are three key features: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature. In choose template, you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special patterns or sequence of character used to find, match, or filter specific text. After that, we have keywords. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about three features, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to give a meaningful name to this flow. As we are building this chatbot for Autopart Store, I will name my flow accordingly as WhatsApp Chatbot for your Autopart Store. After giving a meaningful name, I will enter regex, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. As soon as my customer send me a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a picture. For that, I will select media button, drag and drop this option over here and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message will be delivered to them. Here in media, I will browse a image, something like this. As you can see, my image is loaded successfully. After uploading my image, I will add my welcome message. For that, I will click on add content. Over here, I will select text button and enter my message, something like this. Over here, you can see I have put few message between stars. That means I want to send this message or this part as a bold letter. With that, I want to add few action button. For that, I will click on add button option and enter my text as browse product. After that, I will add one more action button. For that, again, I'm going to click add button option and enter my text, track my order. I will add one more action button and here I will enter talk to a human. As you can see, I have entered 3 action button, and for that I want to give a separate message. And to give a separate message for browse product, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here and write a message, choose your category. And with that, I will add 3 action button: car and bike part, accessories, engine oils. And for each category, I will provide a separate PDF in which detail would be mentioned. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the media button as I want to send them a PDF. Over here, I will paste URL of that PDF or document, something like this, and select my media type as document. After that, I will add caption as auto parts, and with that, I will add an action button which says talk to a human. Similarly, for each category, I will add a separate URL and action button. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this option, select the media and enter my URL over here, as you can see. And over here, again, I'm going to select the media type as document and enter my caption as auto part and action button as talk to a human. After that, again, I will add a separate media for engine oil. I will drag and drop this option, select the media button from here and enter my URL. After that, I will select media type as document, enter my caption as auto parts and action button as talk to a human. After that, let's move to our initial message. Over here, we have done giving a separate message for browse products. After that, let's move to track my order. For that, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here and enter a message which says, please enter your order ID. Let our agent fetch the live status for you. After completing track my order button, let's move to talk to human. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop this option and select the text button over here. And here, I'm going to enter a message. Please wait while I connect you to a team member, usually reply within 2 to 3 minutes. After that, I will put an action button which says get store address. For that as well, I'm going to put a separate message. I'm going to drag and drop this option and select the text button over here. Here I'm going to enter a message which says about address, timing and call details. I'm going to connect my every talk to human button with the same message like this. As you can see, I have connected all the talk to human button with the similar message. With that, I have done putting desired information that would be needed to run this chat flow for Autopart Store business. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to work in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com. And for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your free chatbot for yourself. Thank you so much.